Hi, my name is Jackie Kruger and I represent the Eric Morris acting technique. And I wanted to let you know that in July 2023, we will be visiting Florida, the city of Weston and the city of Miami, bringing to each of those places 3 workshops: the subpersonality workshop, the sense memory workshop, and the instrumental workshop. The instrumental workshop has to do with the unblocking of our emotions, being able to express ourselves, self-knowledge, emotional intelligence. Sense memory. Sense memory is a workshop that has to do with all that information that is stored within our senses. All this information is very important. When you listen to a song and it takes you back to your first boyfriend, or you're eating and all of a sudden you remember that that's just the way your grandmother would cook. And the subpersonality workshop. That one has to do with all the voices that live inside you. Inside you, there is a free spirit, a magical child, an Aphrodite, a critic, a pleaser. All these voices want different things for you. We get to interview them. We get to understand what they want, what they need, if they're there. These workshops are not only for actors. These workshops are for everyone. They're open to everyone. Now, if you're an actor, this is an extremely important tool. Any and all of those 3 workshops are very important for your profession. Emotional intelligence and self-knowledge, very important. Give us a try.